Imagine having a job that pays you $200,000 a year. In the 90s, you're rich, comfortable, your parents are proud, society respects you. Now imagine you leave it all to sell books online. In a world where barely anyone uses the internet, everyone called him stupid, but that stupid decision made him one of the richest men in human history. This is the story of how Jeff Bezos risked everything and built the empire called Amazon. And more importantly, how you can use this same mindset to change your own life. Jeff Bezos had it all. A high-paying job at a hedge fund called D.E. Shaw, beautiful apartment in Manhattan, a powerful future lined up. One day, he saw a number. Internet usage was growing at 2,300% per year. That number lit a fire in his mind. He couldn't stop thinking about it. At night, when others slept peacefully, Jeff lay awake. He didn't just daydream, he did the math. And the math said one thing: the internet is about to explode. But here's the real tension. Jeff wasn't broke. He wasn't desperate. He had everything most people dream of. And that's what made this decision so hard. He wasn't running from pain. He was running toward a possibility that no one else believed in yet. He walked into his boss's office, nervous, excited, and laid out his vision. An online bookstore, no shelves, no staff, no paper, just code and dreams. His boss paused and delivered the now famous line: "Jeff, this is a great idea for someone who doesn't already have a good job." That sentence hit him like thunder. Logic said stay. Security said stay. His bank account said stay. But his gut, it screamed, "Go now or regret it forever." So he quit and started writing Amazon's first business plan in the passenger seat of their car. No funding, no team, no backup plan, just a laptop, a wild dream, and a garage. The early Amazon office, it wasn't glamorous. Doors used as desks, a bell that rang every time a sale happened. But Jeff kept going. He personally emailed customers, packed boxes, shipped orders himself. Investors told him, "You'll never beat Barnes & Noble. You can't turn a website into a company. You'll be bankrupt in a year." But Jeff never flinched. "We're not building a bookstore," he said. "We're building the everything store." That line became legendary. Amazon was losing millions every quarter. The media mocked him. They called it Amazon bomb. But Jeff didn't blink, because he wasn't building for today. He was building for 10 years from now. In 2000, the dot-com bubble burst. Companies were dying daily. Amazon stock dropped 95%. He once said, "I knew if Amazon failed, I wouldn't regret it. But if I didn't try, that would haunt me." And that's what kept him going when everyone else gave up. Eventually, Amazon survived. Then it grew. Books became DVDs, then clothes, then electronics, then groceries, then web services, until one day, Amazon wasn't a bookstore anymore. It was a monster. But this story isn't about Jeff, it's about you. Because most people wait for the perfect moment, perfect idea, the perfect time. But Jeff didn't wait. He started, messy, risky, scared, and that's what changed his life. So ask yourself, when I'm 80, will I regret not taking this chance? If the answer is yes, don't wait. Jeff Bezos wasn't born lucky. He just refused to play safe. Don't watch the next video if you don't have the courage to take risks in your life to make your life better. How Elon Musk went from broke to billionaire, and how you can too. This story is even wilder, even riskier, and packed with ideas you can use. I'll see you there.